how to take apart an angle plug, or DIN plug as they're called. Remove the screw. There's a strain relief for locking nut, remove that. And then, if you look here, this is a 4-terminal DIN plug, so a spot for a screwdriver to go. So I just pried that. So up, and all I can do is push on the wire, pull on the connector. This being a 4-wire, it's pretty tight. And we can see the wires here. So we need to note the location of the wires, colored wire, to the terminal. So each terminal is labeled ground or earth 1, 3, and 2. So ground was going to be the green with the yellow on this one. 1 is going to be the blue. 3 is the black, and 2 is the brown. And this can be rotated in multiple locations depending on application, how it's going to be installed. And but yeah, just to push it back together, pull the wire out. Yeah, so you're pushing down on the connector, and then put your screw back in, and then that locks it all back together.